Hello and welcome to the tip of the week. This week's topic is set notifications for events and appointments. We all put events and appointments into Google Calendar. However, those don't do us much good if we forget about them. To help you remember the events and appointments that you have, Google Calendar can push notifications out to remind you of upcoming and imminent appointments. It can also alert you to canceled events. Let's look at how to set notifications in Google Calendar. Open Google Calendar and click the gear icon in the menu at the top and click Settings. In the General section, select Notifications. In the Notifications drop-down, choose how you want the notifications delivered. In the Show Snooze Notifications, select how long before the event or appointment you want the notifications to appear. This can be from 0 to 5 minutes. Then click the back arrow to the left of Settings at the top of the screen. Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.